In this video, I'll be showing you how to download VMware Workstation by Broadcom or Broadcom on your Windows PC. Simple and easy. So what we are going to do is let's hop on our Google Chrome, any browser you use, search VMware download. Good. Depends on the location, but then this is where you need to hop on Fusion and Workstation. Hop on that. Good. So the download is very much rigorous, but I'm going to walk you guys through the whole procedure. Good. So what we are going to do is, you can see, tap on the download now here. It should redirect you to a login page. Good. So on here you have to sign in, right? So what we are going to do is we tap on the login here and we register rather. Good. So registering, you just have to enter your name and your email and all that there. Very, very simple. So let me tap on the login. Good. So I use this mail. Tap on next. And then I enter my password. Good. So it logs me into the Broadcom account. Very, very simple. So what we are going to do is we move to downloads and we do that. So welcome back. So yours is to just register an account. Use your normal email. You don't need to do anything complicated. Your normal email, and then you verify it. They'll send you a link and you verify it. Nothing complicated. After that, you hop on the dashboard like this, and then you move to your downloads. So you tap on free downloads here. Good. So on this section, what we are going to do is we are going to look for the workstation and download it. Yeah, so these are all the VMware tools you can download. So glance through, and you can see workstation here. So download that. So you can see this is for Linux, this is for Windows, this is for Linux. So select any of your choice. So I think the latest is 17.0. So just tap on that there, and then just select your choice. Good. So on the page here, what we are going to do is we need to agree to the terms. But then to agree to the terms, we need to open the agree terms, and then we open it, and then we glance through the page to the bottom. So now let's come here to select it. Good. Since we've glanced through the page, and then all we are going to do is we get access to tap on the download here to download it. The download will commence, and you can see VMware Workstation full 17 point blah blah blah, which is the latest one. The release date was last year 2025, last updated July 2025. Yeah, so you just tap on save and your download should start. Good. So I'm going to pause that because I already have it. So now we come here, you can see full workstation here. So now double tap it. Now let's start the installation on the Windows PC. Good. So we are preparing our install. And here is it. We just tap on next here, and we need to accept the terms. So next, and we tap on next again. So we just accept it and next. Good. We have not detected a host blah blah blah. So I'm just trying to show you guys how to do that. So next. VMware Station, your custom setup next to as well. Yeah, next. So you're going to have a shortcut on your desktop, which is okay. And now we tap on install to install. So that's the status. We'll have to wait for it to load. And good, we are done. That's the installation done. You can see your VMware Workstation appear here. So you just double tap to launch it. So that's it on how you install your VMware on your Windows PC. So I'm using a Windows 11 Pro. You can do same on Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. So that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.